everyone, it's June and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to be doing nano needling to my face. Now, if you saw my other video when I was doing the micro needling, it's different than that, but it's the same. Nano needling is, they're not needles like the micro needles. They are little cones, like silicone cones, about 80 of them on a tip like this. You see, like this tip has needles. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so nano needling has different tips, and I'm going to show you. Now, the difference between nano needling and micro needling is micro needle gets all the way down, and you can do collagen induction with that. So that's like really, really intense stuff. Your face can bleed and whatever. Nano needling, there is practically no downtime. They're not needles, they're just like little silicone heads that just go below the dermis to infuse whatever you put on your face. So if you have vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, instead of just putting it on your face, it's going to go a little deeper. It's going to make your skin brighter and tighter and just feeling amazing. And I am going to be doing this once a week, and the micro needling I will keep up and I will do once a month. So let's get started. Okay, so before you do the micro needling, what you want to do is exfoliate your face, and I am using, which I love, my St. Ives apricot scrub. So I am going to exfoliate and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I'm all exfoliated and my face is dried, I want to show you what I do. For each time that I do my face, I am going to use a new cartridge, and as you can see, it says the Nano. So you want to make sure everything is sterile. So I like to use a new cartridge each and every time I do this, and I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I can insert a picture of it, but it's a square and it has like these little nano needles on it. So I'm going to put it in my Dr. pen. Now, if you guys haven't seen my other video where I micro needled my face, you will see it right over here. You'll see a little card that comes out. Please feel free to click that anytime during the video. Go back to it, click on it, and look at my video. And yeah, so what we do is we just put it in, make sure it's in. It's in, it's tightened. I love this Dr. pen, and what I like about nano needling, even though I haven't done it before, but I like the concept that there's no downtime, so which is good. So it might make your face like a little red, but it won't make it bleed. Now, I put it on the setting between 0 and 0.25. So from what I hear, you don't need to go any deeper than that. What I'm using today is Cherie vitamin C. Vitamin C is so good for your skin, and it's best to do this before you go to sleep. This way it just seeps in. You're not going about your day and going outside in the sun and just doing all your tasks. You're going to do this and you're going to go to sleep, and you're going to let the vitamin C seep in, and you're going to feel so good. So with this, you don't need numbing cream, so I'm excited about that, because in my micro needling video I had to use numbing cream because they're needles and they go really, really deep. So I'm excited to try this. So I am going to take some. I'm going to look in the mirror over here. Yeah, I'm going to rub it in. Yes, I am. And I'm going to work in sections. So I'm excited. Okay, you don't have to press deeply. Yeah. Wow, this is completely different than micro needling for sure. So you want to go back and forth, up and down, diagonally. I'm going to put a little bit underneath my eyes because it's gentle enough to go under the eyelid, which I like. Because with the micro needling, I couldn't really get really deep under the eyes. So this is great for fine lines and wrinkles. Wow, it feels good. Doesn't hurt at all. Gonna work on a different section. You can see that it's getting a little red, and that's okay. Yeah, you know what? I shouldn't have done that. I should have put it on my face, on my hands, and then put it on my face because I can possibly cause contamination. So I won't be doing that again. So if you're watching this, don't do that. Put it on your finger and then your face. It's never good to put your hands on something that's going back in a bottle. So this is all a learning curve to me. I'm so new to this, so. Oh yeah. When I do my lips, I am going to put hyaluronic acid on my lips because that's what fillers are made of. That's what filler is made of. So you can plump your lips with the hyaluronic acid. Okay. I am going to do my face and then I'll come back, okay? So now I'm going to do my lips. So instead of putting the vitamin C on my lips, I am putting hyaluronic acid on my lips. Take some in your hand. Doing this will plump up your lips, so you know I like that. Let's do it a little faster. Okay, here we go. You ready, guys? I'm excited. Oh yeah, get that hyaluronic acid in your lips. I love it. If it gets a little dry, just take a little water. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, so now that I am done, my lips are done, my face is done, I am going to put another layer of vitamin C on my face. Have a little water on my hands, just a little bit. and you're going to let this seep in. Oh, feels so good. My face feels so good. Oh yeah. And for my lips, a few drops of hyaluronic acid. Okay. I feel refreshed. I didn't do my neck. Next time I will do my neck, I'll do a video on doing the whole neck, the collarbone, and everything, because it's so important to do your neck, especially if you're a mature woman like myself. So anyway, I love this. It feels so good. Like my skin feels tingly, which I like. It doesn't burn. It's just a little red. There's no bleeding, and I think I actually like this better than microneedling. But I still will do the microneedling once a month to get really to get into the dermis and just do collagen induction. I need collagen back into this face because I have these wrinkles all over my eyes. I have the smile, no, what are those called? Crow's feet and all that. I have this, I got rid of it all. So yeah, so this is my video. And you know what, I have to say this. You guys know I am not professional. I am not telling you to go out and buy this. You know, this is something that I'm doing for myself. I will have the links, however, to everything down below. Now, during the week, I will be washing my face with a cleanser, and I will be using retinol cream throughout the week, and then I will do this once a week. And I will show you guys every week how my skin feels, how it looks, and I'm sure that there's going to be a change. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, all the links to everything here will be down below, and I hope you enjoy your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.